Hi, I'm Alan Smith. I'm a product manager at Logitech. We're here at InfoComm 2024, and we're showing a demonstration of smart switching with Logitech Sight. So Sight is our center of table camera that works in conjunction with the rally bar, the front of room camera, to provide the best view of the participants sitting around the table. So we've all had this experience where we call into a meeting room, there's a table full of people, it's really hard to see those people, especially at the end. What Sight is going to do is provide a great view of the people at the table, again, primarily making the experience better for the people on the remote end, so they feel like they're part of the meeting. So what we're going to show is smart switching. So you'll notice the two people on the right and left side, as they look towards the front of the room, at this point, the rally bar has the best view of them. But as they turn and look towards Sight, then automatically Sight is going to frame them. So regardless of the direction they're looking, we're going to have a great view of the participants in that meeting room. This is done through some very cool AI technology that's running both on Logitech Sight and the rally bar, really providing a great experience for people in the meeting rooms. So that's smart switching with Logitech and Sight. If you have any more questions, reach out to logitech.com and there'll be all kinds of information there.